Alright, so what we have here is a mini milling machine. I'm going to retire my drill press because it's getting old, and this is gonna be a great upgrade. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is my drill press. This drill press is really old. It's like at least 10 years old. And this kind of drill is good for drilling only, but if you want to access for X, Z, Y axis, it's really hard for this one. So this is why I upgraded to the mill. Alright, so it's done my setup. So I bolted on already onto the table. So it's bolted on. As you can see, now we have a very nice all the axis we are able to do. Before is I don't have this option, but now this is way better. And here's the top axis. So, and then if I want it precise movement, so I'll have to do it, just lock it in like that, and then I can dial it here if I want it very precise movement, as you can see. And we'll try to cut something. All right, so everything is set up. So this is a bracket. I just want to make this hole here a little bit longer, so I can just slide this bracket in. So the mill is ready, and let's turn it on. All right, so let's turn it on. There's a dial here. Right, as you can see, right, it's not that straight, but this is for the demonstration purposes, just what this machine can do. Yeah, if you want to go straight, you can, but yeah, this machine is good and it's nice to have. Thank you for watching.